All right, Rowdy's got a problem. The ball's on the stairs, and he can't turn around on the stairs. Let's see what he does. Go get it, Rowdy. Go get your ball. Go get your ball. Go get it. Get your ball. Go on. Go get it. Go get your ball. Go get your ball. Good boy. Go get it. Good boy. Well, come down and get your ball. Come get it. Come on down. Come on. You can do it. What a good boy. You got it.